Hey Rockstars, in this video we are going to unbox the new iZotope Spire Studio from iZotope. So get ready to rock. My name is Lidge Shaw and welcome to Recording Studio Rockstars. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to record, edit, mix, and master your best record ever, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any videos from us here at Recording Studio Rockstars. So I just got this into the studio. This is the Spire Studio from iZotope. Now Spire Studio is an awesome battery-powered portable recording interface that is killer for recording song ideas, song demos, or just producing tracks when you want to collaborate with other people. I'm going to show you more details about that in just a moment, but let's take a look at this and open it up and see what's inside. All right, so you see what we got here. We got this gorgeous box that it comes in, and then this is the Spire Studio right here. Now what this is a portable battery-powered recording interface that will let you take your music and record wherever you want to go. It's got a bunch of great features on it. It has a built-in condenser mic right here, high-quality studio mic that's great for recording acoustic guitar, drums, bass, your vocals, whatever you want to record. And then on the back here, it's got two phantom-powered combo jacks so that you can plug a guitar or a bass directly in here, or you can plug microphones in. I've been using this to record drums in my studio where I just plug in two mics on the drums and do it that way. And then you also have a headphone jack on the back of the unit and a headphone jack on the front right here so that you can have two people working together very easily. And then you have a power adapter right here, which comes inside this box. So let's take a look at the rest of this guy. Ooh, there we go, nice little thing for lifting it up. Here's the handy dandy manual and paperwork inside. Ready, set, record, love it. And some more instructions. And then this is the power supply right here. So basically you power this guy up. You can do it in different, depending on what country you're in. It'll work in the US or anywhere else in the world. And then this will charge the battery. And the battery in this guy will actually last for up to 4 hours of recording. And you know, for example, I've taken this out. Last summer I traveled all over the country and I just took this with me everywhere I went, and I'd just go off into the woods for an hour with an acoustic guitar and easily and readily record song ideas. But there's a lot more to this, so let's jump into it. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the iPhone app set up right next to the Spire Studio, and let's go about trying to hook these two things up and get them connected and see how they work. All right, so for this initial setup, it's asking me to press the buttons that are on the Spire Studio because it wants to make sure that this is, you know, belonging to us. So then I'll press these. There we go. It's recognizing it. And we are ready to rock. So now let me show you a little bit about what the iPhone does. Now you can hit this plus button here and it'll make a new session. And some very cool, simple features about the iPhone is you have this text area to start with, so you can paste in your lyrical ideas, you can write stuff in here, you can immediately sound check your microphone level. You can see my voice is showing up already on this mic right there. And if I hit that sound check button here or here, it's going to sound check my voice. Let's try it right here first. Yo, 1, 2, this is testing out the microphone. I guess I gotta keep singing until this is done and we can write a song. All right, here we go. Hopefully it'll come through here in a sec. Great, it immediately recognizes that as vocals right there, you can see that. And then I just say continue, great. And it moves on, and then you've got inside the Spire app, because I have the Spire Pro, you've got some of these recording spaces. This is also giving us a whole bunch of options because we're connected to Spire Studio right now. So you get things like acoustic shape, intimate space vibes, deep space vibes, vintage dub echo, monster heat for some distorted vocals, encore, a bright voice setting, a warm voice setting, rowdy, wormhole, I think is super reverb. And then you get into amps. So if you want to plug a guitar straight in, you have classic stack, Verb 65, Tube 30, bass amps, echo fuzz, big air, Capritone, I don't know what that one is, but purple phase, a phase pedal, a bunch of cool stuff here. And then you select the check button if you want to commit to one of those effects. Come over here, you see there's the multi-track area. Once you record a part, you see press it there and it's already recording on the app. It's recording on the app and it's recording on Spire Studio, which is awesome. Hit stop, and then it immediately makes a new track so you can start recording again. Now, it does a lot more cool stuff and we can't get into all of it right here, but just know that this thing is really handy because you can set this up with your headphones plugged in or not even plugged in if you're just recording an idea first and don't need to get into the overdub headphones yet. And then this interfaces wirelessly with the iPhone or iOS iPad app, and it makes it really easy to control everything. It's super fast for punching in and rewinding and just keep moving quickly on a song idea. And one of the things that rarely gets talked about that makes this so fantastic is the fact that when you plug your headphones into here, there is no latency between the microphone input and what you hear. Now that is a huge feature that gets overlooked when we talk about using interfaces with iPhones or iOS, or we talk about even using the free Spire app with just a pair of headphones. You are going to get a little bit of that classic latency that you hear when you're going through the interface through the iPhone. This bypasses that by giving you immediate input microphone straight out to the headphones so that while you're recording your song and working on stuff, you don't have that latency sound and everything sounds really sweet in here. Again, like I said, I ended up writing and recording more songs when I got my Spire Studio than I was doing with a complete pro home studio at home. So this thing is really, really great for traveling, for just capturing the song idea really quickly and making sure that your music is getting out to the world. I'm not going to go into all the features of the app here because I actually cover a lot of that in my other video, how to record a song in Spire Studio. So please check that out if you want to see exactly how you'd record bass, guitar, drums, vocals, acoustic, all of that right in here, and then export it and share it with somebody to collaborate. A great way to start is to just go download the iOS app, which is free. You can just go to the Apple Store and download a copy of the app, or you can go sign up for your account at iZotope.com. Immediately you can start recording song ideas directly on your iPhone and share them with friends to collaborate and get new productions going. When you're ready, I highly recommend that you upgrade to Spire Pro so that you can use some of the recording effects and mix effects built right into the app. And then definitely check out the Spire Studio, which is fantastic. I myself have a Pro Studio here at the Toy Box Studio, and one of the frustrations for me is that it can take so long to set things up that I miss my chance to actually record a new song idea. So it's really, really fun to have something that's so fast and so easy to use. If you want to learn more about the exact method for using this with the app and how to record a complete song, please make sure to check out my other video, how to record a song in Spire Studio. We'll include a link right here. Also, remember that iZotope offers a ton of really, really cool plugins and apps that are going to help you produce your best record ever. If you want to check them out, you can go over to iZotope.com/rockstars, and in fact, you can use the coupon code ROCK10 to get 10% off any individual plugin purchase over there. Then check out their new subscription options like Music Production Suite Pro and Producers Club. You can just go get a free 7-day trial and get a whole suite of plugins to start with. Great way to start. Get the free app for Spire, upgrade to Spire Pro if you want to check out some of the features there. Move on to Spire Studio and start recording some great song ideas and demos, and then get that subscription over at iZotope so that you can export all those files into your DAW. And remember, if you want to learn how to record, edit, mix, and master your very best record ever, then hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any videos from us here at Recording Studio Rockstars. And if you're looking for an easy introduction to mixing in Pro Tools using nothing but free plugins, then check out my free mixing course, Mix Master Bundle, where I show you how to get pro sounding mixes using simple techniques with free plugins. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.